Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kirsty. If you're new, welcome. It's wonderful to have you joining, and if you're returning, it's wonderful to have you as well. Today's video is full of cleaning motivation. It's kind of the morning, so I'm just trying to get some things done this morning. Starting in my kids' rooms, just kind of trying to neaten up a little bit and try to get a little bit of chaos out of the way. It's going to probably get messed up again, but at least I know that I've gone through and done some cleaning as well as tidying up. So I hope this video is encouraging to you today, and I hope that if you want to get something done, that you get it done as well. Whether it's cleaning or something else, go do it. Even if you only do a few minutes today, you will probably feel really accomplished and feel motivated to get a little more done. So let's keep going and get something done. Well, can you believe it's pretty much spring here in the US, so I'm really excited about that. We were actually on holiday in South Africa, so we just got back, and that was the best time. I hadn't seen my family in 3 years, and yeah, we had a wonderful time. We went to the beach every single day, had way too much food, drank way too many milkshakes, but totally fun and so worth it, and I can't wait to see them again. Has anyone else done something exciting, or are you doing something exciting now? A lot of people are on holiday now for spring, so let me know if you're doing something fun or seeing family that you maybe haven't seen in a while. I'd love to hear. Now this bathroom actually looks a little different today than it did the other day. Both of these bathrooms, they were kind of like a weird brown paint. When we moved in a few months ago, this was the color that it came. But I got my sweet husband David to paint them all nice white for me, as he's painted everything else white for me. So they're looking really fresh and white, and it really just took some white paint, and we got some black spray paint, and he spray painted a lot of the lights, some of the things around the bathroom, and it made it look really fresh and really new for extremely an inexpensive amount of money. So if you're looking to your bathrooms or a small space in your home and you think, man, this really is not making me enjoy this area, just see if you could maybe put some paint on, do something fresh that's really inexpensive, and it'll probably bring some new life. We actually also just got some rugs which just missed this video, so next time you will see them, and I'm really excited because it's actually making things feel more finished, although we have so many unfinished projects like the skirting boards or baseboards and just so many things, as we've recently moved into this house and now restarting all the new house projects. In one way it's kind of fun to do things again, and in another way it's kind of tiring because we just finished our other home and then we moved. My daughter's just protecting her food that she spills all over the floor before I can vacuum it up, but I definitely did vacuum that up. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really am glad that you joined me this morning, so thank you so much. I hope you feel encouraged. I hope you got something done or are going to get something done, and I hope you have a wonderful day. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!